Hey everybody, at Central Maine Medical Center in Lewiston, Maine. Here we are, that's the helipad. November 901 X-ray Mike is coming back from Maine Medical Center in Portland, Maine. He should be coming back very shortly. Just looked on the flight tracker and he was pointing towards Lewiston en route back from Portland. So, be seeing him, hearing him any second. Enjoy. I'm gonna go over here. Wonder where I should go to get a good view this time. Thinking. Yeah, how about right here? Right here's good, I guess. We usually go here, so yeah. This looks good. We're just waiting for him to return now. While I wait, I guess I'll tell you a little bit about the aircraft. November 901 X-ray Mike is a 2020 built Leonardo helicopters, also known as Augusta Westland, AW109SP, brand new, but medical variant, because it's got medical equipment inside. So it's a medical AW109SP. They can be used for multiple uses. There's police variants, medical variants, military, other kinds of stuff. It can be used for a lot of things. I think I hear them, but I'm not too sure. Oh! I hear it. That's them. Oh, yep, they are landing. See him? Over there? There he is. Landing gear's down. I'm gonna back up just a little bit so I can show you, because parking garage is in the way. You're definitely landing here. Yep. It's coming up from behind those trees there. Hope you enjoyed. See you in the next video.